Hey, so you want to say you have never used a matatu?
Yes.
What? Me and matatu ni kama Jonasi. Today I'm with Anganya, tomorrow I'm with a matatu kadogo, the other day I'm with a bus which looks like half a bread. Where me with the matatu have
Though, you know, see, my dad told me that it's so suffocating because there is a lot of people in that mat.
Suffocating. For me, even sometimes naigiaga makanga ananiambia, shika ka laptop. It is not for reading. It is kambao which looks like a chopping board. You put between two chairs. You sit there comfortably and utalipa kama mtoko kwa dereva.
Yeah, it looks a lot of fun. I should try that.
Fun. Me, I'm running from me to me. I want a car.
You see what my housemate is telling me. Me housemate wangu unibo. Wako na kubwa ingi.
See, for us, we are the ones who do the work. Today I wash the utensils. Kesho sister yangu anaosha nyumba, and if you don't want to wash, I pretend niko mgonjwa. They can kill me with the job there home.
What about the 16 rooms? Like kwetu tuko na 16 rooms. Like
16 rooms. When I'm living in a state house, see we have two. Kwa kulala and for table room.
2?
Yes.
Only the pig style. You see on our place, 2 is for
when you have
style.
started abusing me, you want me.
Sorry.
You brought me here to abuse me.
No, sorry.
And why are you calling me piggy style?
So I wanted to tell you that I'm going to United States. When have you been to?
For me, I've been in Nyandarua, Eldoret, Laikipia. I've been in many places. Don't see me like that.
I've never heard of those. I'm talking about the United States.
Oh, abroad. For that one, it is just one time DJ Afro took me to Mumbai, and I was very happy.
Who's DJ Afro? I've never heard of that.
You don't know him? Well, basi wewe umelelewa kuzuri. Me, I have been seeing him since I was a kid.
I think we're almost there. See, you'll pay because I have card. Then
no, see, you only need me. If you are expecting me to pay to tapigwa like nobody's business, me, I don't have money.
You don't have money?
So you told me I come the way I am.
Let me just call my dad.
Yeah, and tell him you have not eaten, because you know I just came out of the house like that one.